Hello, my friends. Welcome to Home Decor Inspirations for stylish home interior design. What if I told you your bathroom could feel more luxurious than a five-star hotel every single day? Today, I'm going to show you how to transform one of the most overlooked spaces in your home into a true sanctuary of elegance, comfort, and design. And trust me, you'll never look at your bathroom the same way again. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button because if you love elevated living and timeless design, this channel is made for you. For too long, the bathroom has been treated as purely functional. But in high-end interior design, it's something much more. It's a private retreat, a place where your day begins and ends, a space that should feel calm, intentional, and undeniably luxurious. Imagine walking into a bathroom where every detail is curated. Soft lighting, natural textures, seamless finishes. A space that doesn't just serve a purpose, but creates an experience. Because a luxury bathroom isn't about fixtures. It's about atmosphere. It's about how the space makes you feel. Now, let's explore what's defining luxury bathroom design right now. Minimalist elegance. Luxury today is quiet. Clean lines, floating vanities, and hidden storage create a sense of calm and visual clarity. Biophilic design. Natural materials like stone and wood, combined with greenery, bring warmth and a spa-like serenity into your space. Rich textures and layering. From marble to brushed metals and textured tiles, layering materials adds depth and sophistication. Architectural focal points. Freestanding tubs, walk-in showers, and sculptural sinks turn your bathroom into a true statement. Smart technology. Heated floors, smart mirrors, and touchless systems bring comfort and effortless living into your daily routine. Spa-inspired experiences. Rainfall showers, ambient lighting, and calming tones transform your bathroom into a personal wellness retreat. Statement lighting. Backlit mirrors and warm LED accents create a soft, elevated glow that defines the entire space. When all these elements come together, your bathroom stops being just a room and becomes a feeling. If you want more ideas like this to transform your home into a luxury experience, subscribe to the channel right now. And tell me in the comments, what would be the one thing you'd upgrade in your bathroom first? I'd love to know. See you in the next video, where we turn everyday spaces into extraordinary living.